Hello everyone, welcome to Foodie Rides and Techie Vibes. There's a big problem with the cases that comes for Fold 7. That is, let me just show it to you. When you open, you see this gap? That's caused because of this being a separate case and this particular hinge. When you open it, so let me show it in this angle. When you open it, it tries to pushes this particular case. Right, so this has been annoying me for almost a week now. I'm here to show you a solution for that problem where you pick up a case which has got a lock over here so that this piece is not independent on its own, rather it will be connected to the hinge and this doesn't move every time you open the phone like this. You see this is so annoying. So I did not do much of research. I just went online. I was just checking what are the cases that are good for Fold 7. Most of these cases are upwards of 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, like the Spiegans of the world. Let me show you a couple of cases that I was considering. So I went to Amazon as usual, then just search for Fold 7 case. Okay, this one interested me. The reason being is, again, see this gap. So let me just show it to you. This one interested me because it got that MagSafe and it has that lock which I was talking about. You see this lock? This is the lock I was talking about. This is going to cost about 4,000 rupees, again, way out of the budget. So, and then I was just checking. I like this particular case as well, but again, I don't know, somehow Fold 7 doesn't have some great cases. This makes the phone bulky, just like the one which I'm having right now. And any case you take is about 3,000, 5,000, and just goes on and on. Then I came across a case called Kapaver. Let me just show it to you. Okay. And they do not have much options for Fold 7, but there's one particular piece which was interesting. So I went with that. And this is one. $1,000 plus there was a coupon for 200 rupees discount. I used it, so I got it for about 800 bucks. And I picked it up and it has arrived, and let me show you how that case looks like. So I ordered the Kapaver case and it took about 3 days for me to get it from the time I ordered. On the case it says 2,399, but I got it for 800 bucks, and this ships from Chennai. Kapaver, I hope I'm spelling it right. It says military grade. I hope so. Okay, very simple packing. Okay. Yeah, so remember I was telling that there's a hinge where it would be glued in. Okay, it holds both the cases, the back and the front, and also it's got a MagSafe. So you can use your charger, your wallets, the MagSafe products on this. Let me go ahead and remove this. Again, there you go. It just comes out just like that. I wouldn't recommend this, guys, since it looks funny. It looks fancy, but it doesn't serve the purpose and makes your phone bulky as well. So check this. The phone is so slim. Appreciate the design. Appreciate the engineering that's gone behind this. So before you install the case, just make sure that you remove the cover. And also remove the back cover. I think there is a cover. Huh? Okay, for now I'll leave it on, just for an extra safety on the scratch. Let me put the case on. It's pretty easy to install. Okay. So USB port is not blocked. Your fingerprint reader is not blocked. And you got a button for your volume rocker. Nothing on this side, I know. Is there a branding? Yeah, there's a branding. I don't know if you're able to see it. There's a branding on it. Just look at this. You've got protection for your hinge. Okay, the main problem that we had was it coming off when you open it, and we don't have that problem. So problem solved. I hope it's pretty solid, but I do see there is some gap. But let's see in sense how this case holds up to the phone, but the phone doesn't look bulky. Since the phone looks the same sleekness is maintained, it's not bulky, and you have your MagSafe, so you'll be able to charge your phone wirelessly. And just let me know. Case looks on Samsung Z Fold 7, and do leave your comments and let me know if you guys also have found something better for Fold 7 phones. I will give it a try. Okay, so thanks for watching Foodie Rides and Techie Vibes, and keep supporting the small channel. See you. Take care.